Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
I love 11:00 on the clock at oras na para paunlakan natin ang isang biyahe sender of the night natin. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. So eto na nga, basahin natin ang biyahe ng buhay ni Aliyah. Hello DJ Lala, please hide my true name na lang po sa Aliyah. Gusto ko po sanang humingi ng advice about this situation I am in. Nagkagustuhan kami ng childhood friend ko, magka-MU kami for about a year. Kaso, inamin niya sa akin na hindi pa siya nakaka-move on sa ex niya. At syempre, masakit po para sa akin kasi pero aaminin ko, di ko yun na-apply sa sarili ko. Naging marupok ako to the point na kahit alam kong he lies a lot, I stayed for him until napagod ako. After a few months of not talking, he messaged me again. I thought wala namang masama na maging friends kami ulit. After a while, napapansin ko na nahuhulog na ulit ako sa kanya. Pakiramdam niya uli sa akin yung kilig or pinaparamdam niya sa akin ulit yung kilig just like nung magka-MU pa lang kami. Akala ko po talaga nagbago na siya. I mean, yung ready na siyang mag-commit. Pero he again said, I am not ready. Nakakainis lang DJ kasi he gives me again those mixed signals just like before. Pero here he is talking to other people like, diba di ka pa ready or diba gusto mong mag-focus sa sarili mo? Tama po ba na bigyan ko pa siya ng chance in the future kapag naging ready na siya? Thank you and more power to your show. Well, hi Aliyah. First of all, thank you for sending in your problem and being our biyahe sender of the night. Well, I'll go straight to the point. The answer is no. If ever na a day comes at sabihin sa'yo ng lalaking to, now I'm ready to be with you or now I'm ready to take our relationship on the next level, I want you to say no. I want you to say no because not because I want you to take revenge or because I want you to get back at him for saying no to you multiple times. But kasi you don't want him to say no to you because he has no options left. You don't want him to say yes pala. You don't want him to say yes to you because he has no options left. You don't want him to say yes to you because there is no one else. You don't want him to say yes to you because you are available. Nagigets mo ko, my love? If you'll make yourself too available for this guy will break your heart over and over again. This time will take advantage of the fact na gusto mo siya over and over again. I speak from experience, my love. I speak from experience. I have a childhood friend before. I think I've told this story on air multiple times already, but I just want you to hear it just in case hindi mo to narinig. I have a friend before, a childhood friend, a high school friend. Nung 4th year prom namin, after ko mag 4th year high school, just before I go to college or went to college, pinaramdam niya sa akin na there's something na na-miss namin nung high school kami. Na nung 4th year prom namin, he wants to dance with me. He wanted to dance with me because meron siyang gustong sabihin and I misread it na him being a friend lang. I thought yun lang yung gusto niya sabihin na wala, parang nonsense, wala namang kinalaman. And then later on, long story short, I found out na ang gusto niyang sabihin ay gusto niya mag-confide na meron siyang nararamdaman sa akin. And that was the start of our on and off MU-han. O diba? Kumbaga for 3 staggered kasi parang may mga couple of months na nawawala siya and then babalik siya, ipaparamdam niya sa akin ulit the same thing na pinaramdam niya sa akin before, just like what he is doing to you right now. Ganun din yung ginagawa niya sa akin. So on and off niya yung pagka-MU namin and then whenever I try to ask him serious questions, nawawala siya. And then I got to a point na sinabi ko sa sarili ko na never again. This will be the last time I'll be stupid enough to believe that this could end up differently. That this could end up to something na I want to happen between us. Kasi obviously it will not. Binabalikan niya ako kasi I am already there. there. Binabalikan niya ako kasi there's no option left. Kasi little did I know, this guy, parang nagkaroon na siya ng trip to Jerusalem sa lahat ng mga high school friends ko. So, bumabalik lang siya ng bumabalik sa akin siguro kasi ako yung matino. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero bumabalik siya sa akin. So, I don't want that to happen to you. And I don't want you to feel what I felt back then. I felt like ako yung last option. I felt like ako yung hindi pretty kasi ako yung tinago, hindi ako yung in-announce. Ako yung minsanan lang pinupuntahan or hanggang 2 months lang, pero hindi ako yung dinadala para mag-travel around the world. I felt so little back then. Nasira yung self-esteem ko, nasira yung self-confidence ko. And I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want the same experience I had to be your experience as well. Kung gusto ka ng lalaking to, kung may mararamdaman yung lalaking to sa'yo, he will never do that to you. He will not lead you on. He will not make you feel like as if it's going somewhere if the truth is, it will not go anywhere. Hindi ka niya kakaibiganin ng may benefit involved. Hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo na, I miss you, even when alam niyang may nararamdaman ka para sa kanya and then hindi niya dudugtungan ng I love you. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So do not be stupid enough to go back to him kapag ready na siya. Please make sure sa sarili mo na once he is ready, you are no longer interested. Kasi that's what happened. That's what I did. The moment he was ready for me, it was the very moment I told him, it's my time to say no. Not because gusto kong mag-get back to you, not because gusto ko ng revenge, but because this time around, I learned that I deserve better than the way you treated me. I deserved better than the way mo kong nakita. I deserved better than being your option. Naintindihan mo ko? I hope you feel the same way about yourself, my love. Once you let go of this guy, once you let go of the fantasy of what could have been para sa inyong dalawa, you'll open up a door for those people that truly deserves you. That truly deserves the chance na ibibigay mo sa kanila. Don't keep on giving a chance to a person na sinasayang lang ng sinasayang yung kada pagkakataong ibibigay mo sa kanya. Just because he is confident na kapag bumalik siya sa'yo ulit, tatanggapin mo siya. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So I hope, Aliyah, makonvince mo na yung sarili mo na wag na. Wag mo nang ituloy, wag mo nang pangarapin, wag mo na siyang hintayin maging ready. Do not put a pause in your life just because this guy is undecided. Do not put a pause in your life just because this guy is not yet ready. It's not your responsibility to wait for him until he is ready. Kung ready na siyang makipagharutan, kung ready na siyang magbitaw ng I miss you, kung ready na siyang makipag-holding hands, makipag-akbayan, then ready na siyang pumasok sa isang relationship. Pero kapag sasabihin niya otherwise, it's because gusto niya lang ng mga benefits, pero ayaw niya ng commitment that comes along with it. So wag mong pabayaan, wag mong konsentihin. If you are a friend to this guy, say no to him so that he would know na that is not how you treat someone you said you love. Okay? May galit yung kada salita kong yun. Hindi, I think that guy is already married now. O, yung friend kong yun, married na siya ngayon. Pero yung friend ko din yun, blinak ko na din yun. Hindi na kami friends. So, dumating na ako sa point na kapag kapag may reunion kami at andyan siya, hindi ako pupunta. Why? Kasi I don't wanna be friends with people na nagtitake advantage ng friendship for his or her own benefits. I don't wanna be friends with people like that. O, diba? Ayoko ng mga taong nanloloko, ayoko ng mga taong nagpapaasa. If you are like that, then I don't wanna be friends with you. Ganun ako. Maprinsipyo akong tao because I know it is possible to live in this life without being like that. Okay? I hope, Aliyah, nakatulong ako sa iyo. Sana nakapagbigay ako sa iyo ng kalinawan. Sana maka-move on ka, my love, like the way I did. Sana hindi mo i-underappreciate yung sarili mo. Sana bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng value, just like what I did with myself. O, diba? Hindi naman sa nilalagay natin sa pedestal yung mga sarili natin. Hindi naman sa nagiging GGSS tayo. But we are just confident na it's not what we deserve. Okay?
Love Radio.